The things I enjoyed at the airport is that the community is really nice, and I enjoyed telling people that I worked at GSP.
This was a fun job, I will say. I've done a lot of concrete work here, surprisingly, airfield, fixing the concrete, especially at FBO ramp.
Being able to see everyone's individual role come together to help the airport run and function smoothly, and also being able to go into the office and get hot chocolate every morning.
Definitely being able to get the opportunity to get a closer look of the planes, because it's definitely a step ahead in my future.
I really enjoy working with people from a wide range of departments throughout the office. The atmosphere was always friendly and positive, and I even enjoyed walking through the terminal because it was such a welcoming and energetic experience.
Being able to ride around the crash trucks and the engine, being able to hang out with the excellent firemen around here.
Something I'm definitely going to carry with me is how to properly present myself in a professional setting.
Positive attitude.
A sense of teamwork and professionalism.
Be teamwork, because teamwork really does make the dream work. It's something that I can take with me personally and professionally, because it's something that we all use together and we all created an amazing end goal.
I'm going to take my hands-on experience from this internship and put it into my aviation career. I'm also going to be a good role model for the people that want to go into the aviation career, help them learn about it. Even if I don't have the capability to teach them everything, I can still teach them how to be a good aviation tech or just a tech in general.